Iyabo, why did you lie that you've become an ambassador of the Federal Airport of Nigeria? I mean, the mother of all the airports in the whole world. Yesterday when we were having shows, some people were talking about Nigeria Airport. Let me tell you something. Let's go straight to the point. Nigeria Airport is one of the most beautiful airports in the world. This one, I am not saying this to suit anybody or to... Let's be sincere. You see, there are some things we don't know. And there are some things we need to educate ourselves. Those places Iyabo Ojo went to go and stay, Iyabo Ojo is just a nuisance. You know, she promised to give them a little advert so that they can give her space to shoot a Dead Glory movie. Iyabo Ojo has involved herself in so many scandals, most especially Mohbad murder case. Iyabo Ojo's image can never be used for something meaningful in this country. The whole world knows who Iyabo Ojo is. Nigerians know who Iyabo Ojo is. Let's be sincere and let's be realistic. Sure, you understand? That place she went to go and do, or where she did her video yesterday. Hold on. Kini moto ya ki moto yẹn kúrò ńbẹ̀. Ẹ ṣá ó yẹ kó tì gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀. Careful please. Careful please. Ẹ má bínú. Wèrè ni wọ́n tó sọ pé Iyabo obsession. Who is Iyabo Ojo that you are talking about obsession? What is new or what is good about Iyabo Ojo that someone like me that is very busy will be obsessed by Iyabo? Who is Iyabo? Iyabo Ojo is just a pathological liar, a dead glory. Iyabo Ojo that hide under gist lover to bully innocent people to make money. So a owe me. And next owner like me will now be. We have to continue to expose Iyabo Ojo. We saw Iyabo Ojo at the airport, and she was so foolish, lying to the public that she becomes the ambassador. Ambassador of where? Of who? If you want to become an ambassador to a reliable and reputable brand, then your brand needs to be good. Iyabo Ojo does not have any brand. Iyabo Ojo is just a pathological liar, a pathetic destroyer. Iyabo Ojo involving herself in Mohbad murder case cannot even make Iyabo Ojo to go near anything that has to do with this country. No that and no peace. Showing Batori Oburu, you think it's easy for someone to go and involve herself in murder case? Imagine Iyabo Ojo involving herself in Baba Ijesha case, involving herself in Lizzy Anjorin's case. When they are telling you to be mindful of how you behave to people and things you do to people, it's because one day you may need people's assistance. That was the reason they said you should be good to people. No that and no peace. So who is Iyabo Ojo that a reasonable and a well-known person like me, a well-to-do personality like me, will be obsessed with who? Now let's talk about federal airport. Let's talk about state airport. Let's talk about local and international airports. Let's talk about that. We have most beautiful airports. We have our airport in Nigeria is one of most beautiful airports in the world. It might not be number one, it might not be number two, but believe me, Nigeria are doing great. The Minister of Aviation, the man is really working. The man is doing perfectly okay. The man is doing well. You see, let me tell you something. Even we that we are entrepreneurs, you know what we are facing in the hand of people we committed our things to. Our tiny shop KKK, we with small shops. You know what I'm talking about. Let's talk about someone like me that I have multiple offices in different states. Because some people were telling me yesterday, hey, Nigeria airport, look at them. No, there's nothing bad. There's nothing bad. The place they gave Iyabo Ojo, the little portion they gave Iyabo Ojo, It was that place, that area. If you go to our international airport today, they are doing well and and it's so beautiful. If you go into our local airport, I do local and international flights regularly. You can't. There's no doubt about that. I do both local and international airports regularly. Our airport, there's nothing bad with our airports. Sure, you understand? Iyabo Ojo is just the nuisance. He promised to give them an advert, and he went to where they put charger, and that's peeling area. That peeling area is normal. That is not the government problem. That is not the Minister of Aviation's problem. That is our problem. Let me break everything down for you. To manage anything in this country, it is very hard. With the level of reasoning of the people we hired. Am I communicating? When people are saying the government are bad, who are the government? We are the government. We are the one that are terribly bad. We are the one that they will pay us to do something and we will not do it. This country, we accuse governments of some things that we purposely. Ẹni tó kọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa block ẹ̀mí mọ̀ bóyá ò sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ nǹkan náà kó máa pé àwọn wèrè ló lọ fún ẹni Red. Sorry guys. Nigeria is the best. You lied. You dey mad. I'll still block you. You said Nigeria is not the best, Abi. Let me tell you something. Nigeria is one of the most beautiful country in the world. Nigeria is the country you can wake up and become a billionaire. Nigeria is a country you can wake up and meet with a connection and become successful. Nigeria is a country that you can be a child of nobody and become somebody. Nigeria is a country that without education, if you have your handwork legitimately, you can make it. The issue of the airport, that issue of the airport. The government, of course, they must have allocate. The Minister of Aviation has tried his best. He must have done the rightful things he's supposed to do as the minister. It is left for me and you that they gave little portion to manage and to maintain. Sure, you understand? If you believe this country is not good, then you are not good. Because if a country is not good as a person, what have you done so far to add value to that country? If all of you are saying Nigeria is bad, you cannot expect me to join you and be saying Nigeria is bad. Nigeria has happened to me so many times. It do matter case, is it not Nigeria? This government has happened to me so many times. But the question is it the government that are bad? No, the individuals are terribly bad. The country people are bad. The masses are bad. The individuals that lives in this country are terribly bad. Let's be realistic. Ṣé Nigerian government ló bá wọn lọ sínú ìdú mata? Ṣé Nigerian government lẹ́yìn tó bá ti allocate owó àwọn náà máa sọ ibi tẹ́ máa clean fún nínú airport? Ṣé Nigerian government ló tún máa jókòó bí immigration office? Ṣé Nigerian government ní security tó yẹ kó secure àwọn èèyàn? I saw a lady few weeks ago. She was talking about people that pushing trolley at the airport, that they almost robbed her. That is security aspect of the airport side. Until we all take responsibility of everything that has happened to Nigeria, when we refuse to take responsibility of what we've done, we will continue to see this country as a bad country. This country is not a bad country. It is you that you are bad. Is it government that went to go and pay advert money to Gist lover like Biodun Okewo? Is it Nigeria government that went to go and hide under Gist lover like Iyabo Ojo? Is it government that took Mohbad to UK and manipulate the public? Is it government that asked Mohbad to go and sing in UK and they refuse to tell us where and how they paid Mohbad. That man that is repairing generator in your area, is it government? Is it Tinubu that is repairing generator in your area? Is it government? Is it Minister for Aviation that is the mechanic that knows what he can put in your car but refuse to put it in your car? And since over a year, some of you, your car refuse to work. If you buy any generator today, you will enjoy that generator until the day you ask them, come and change the oil. From oil, you will hear, let us change gasket. Let us do ringing. Let us do this. We have this shallow mind. Nigeria oda, ojoojúmọ́ làwọn èèyàn kọ́lé. Nigeria oda, wọ́n ra private jet. Nigeria oda, people are making money, people are doing business, people are meeting up, people are hanging around with big connections. People are making money in this country. That is why I will always advise you, people in diaspora, don't think because someone is out there telling you Nigeria is not. Remember, I was the one that even changed your vision, your picture concerning Nigeria. What Iyabo Ojo, Esabod, what they picture to you is Nigeria is bad. I was the one that was telling you guys that no, I'm in Nigeria and I'm doing pretty well. I'm doing wonderfully well in this country. You don't understand? Until I start bringing you guys. Look at this area now. Drive forward first before we want to go on. Go see. Let me quickly show you this. See. This is the new coastal road. Look at how beautiful the new coastal road is. See. This is the new coastal road. Look at. From Lagos to Calabar. From Lagos to Calabar. Say anything wà lẹ́yìn mi. Say we are turning. They are still working on it, oh. They are still working on it, oh. This is Lagos to Calabar. You don't understand. If you are in Nigeria, nǹkan tó need láti ṣe ni pé má jókòó sórí social media. Dìde kó wá àwọn èèyàn lọ kó lọ wá bí ṣiṣẹ́. Wá connection lọ. Kì í ṣe party ló máa wá connection lọ o. Okay, now let me show you this place to my office. Let's go to my office. Wait. See, you see, this is the coastal road. Remember when I bought this property? You remember when I bought this property? When people are abusing me that the place is a bush, this and that. See this area. You see beautiful homes there, over there. You see all these fine houses there. Here you see. You see all those fine houses there. Remember? Do you know that when I came to this area, when I came to build a bungalow in this area, you will walk like 45 minutes. In fact, you won't see any house. Let me show you. Okay, let's go to my office. So yeah, let's go to my office. I want to show you this place to my office. I want you to see. Oh yeah, go, Mr. Man. Oh yeah, go to my office. See, this is from Coastal Road, Oba Small. See, from Coastal Road. Look at. Whoa. See. From that coastal road. Imagine you buying land from me then. Imagine that time when I was selling this place. We were selling 500,000 per plot then. 1 million per plot. 2 million per plot. Move, Mr. Man. Move. Do you know we're already at Oba Small? We are already at Oba Small. Welcome to Oba Small. Look at Oba Small. You just turn. Look at Oba Small. We are turn. I'm coming. See, this is Oba Small. See, from that coastal road to Oba Small. See, from that road to Oba Small. Here you see. We are in Oba Small. Remember how they used to bully me? Then you remember that my place is a bush place. My place is a dikini. We are at Oba Small. Issue of Nigeria is an individual's issue. If we want Nigeria to be a better place, we should all be a better person. We all should be a better person. Can you hear me? If we want Nigeria to be a better place, we all should become a better person. Nigeria airport is not bad. The Minister of Aviation is doing well. The President is doing well. There is nothing wrong in the country. The only problem we have in this country is nobody wants to work. Everybody needs free money. Nobody wants to work. Nobody wants to work. Everybody needs money. And level of evil that some people committed per day. Imagine paying people to kill people for them to advertise for you. Look at what Iyabo Ojo and Biodun Okeowo has been doing. So for me, tó bá jẹ́ pé irú nǹkan tí Iyabo Ojo ń ṣe, kémi náà máa ṣe, kí wọ́n náà máa ṣe, ṣá máa wà níbi tá wà lélẹ̀. If we want Nigerian to be a better place, we all should be a better person. Tẹ́lẹ̀ bá ṣẹlẹ̀ government, títàn bá ṣẹlẹ̀ government. I listened to that lady. He was talking about some people trying to rob her at the airport. Ṣé government náà ló tún ṣe yẹn? Ṣé bí individual ló ṣe fún? Ṣé government ló bá yín sanwó síbi tí wọ́n ti ń pààyàn fún advert? Ṣé government ló ní kẹ́ ya movie, kẹ́ má ya movie tó mọ́pọlọ dání? Ṣé government, is it government that asked Iyabo Ojo to hide under blogs and be bullying people and forcefully collecting money from them? Play it off. Ẹ̀yin tí Instagram ṣe ń gbádùn mi, ẹ̀yin tí Facebook rather ṣe ń gbádùn mi. Bọ̀ǹkan tó ẹ kọ́kọ́ ṣe nìyẹn náà tẹ́lẹ̀ kò sí àní pé máa lọ nísìn. Mo kàn fi hàn àwọn èèyàn ṣọmọ pé ibi ìbàyẹ̀ wọ́n discourage àwọn èèyàn gan.
Àwọn tó lè nígbàgbọ́ nù wa ọdún ní
Aha. Ó ti yé. Nígbà tí àdúgbò tẹ́ wò yìí, ẹ wo road tí mo fi hàn yín yẹn, that is coastal road from Lagos to Calabar. That is one of the most beautiful projects ever. That Lagos to Calabar, that is one of the most beautiful projects. That project line by the, you know, when you're on that road, you will be seeing this beautiful view of beach for hours non-stop. That coastal road, that coastal road is like a, you know, all this they used to call it country something. When you are driving on that coastal road, Wamawo view beach for hours from Lagos to Calabar. For those of you that are still and abroad and you've not gotten your property in Nigeria, you are still missing.
Oh, I know.
You are still on a long thing. Nigeria is a bad country. It's a bad country. People are building houses. People are doing massive projects. Nigeria is a beautiful country. Let's be positive about our country. Countryside view, God bless you. Ayo, Apomuje, countryside view, God bless you. Be positive about this country. There's nothing wrong with the country. The individual living in the country are the one that have been negative. Ocean View Road, or seaside road, depends on the body of the water. This one is ocean view. This one is ocean view. It is not, or seaside, let's say seaside road, because it's a sea, it's a very big beach. I will take you around now. I'll take you around. Almost sure I don't. My enemy does not have any money. If you rob me, there is nothing you can see on me. Shishi I no get. Shishi my enemy no get. Water serve no dey my enemy body. And my enemy no get shishi. Kobo. Imagine when I was saying, come and buy Florida Estate. Come and buy Florida and see what you are missing. Those Esabo that cannot come to Nigeria again are telling you. Korea Connect. Rashida. Rashida money. Nigeria is a great country. Yes, this coastal road is ocean view. It's ocean view. Very beautiful. See, when something is beautiful, I'll tell you it's beautiful. I told you guys then, come and buy land, come and buy land, come and buy land, come and buy land. And guess what? My Igbo brothers and sisters, they are buying. They are buying. My Igbo brothers and sisters, they are buying. So I don't want us to have negative view or negative thoughts about Nigeria. Nigeria is a beautiful country. Our airport is beautiful. There is nothing wrong about our airport. If you have any challenges in our airport, remember it is individual incompetence. Remember the day I was traveling from Abuja to Lagos, then from Lagos to connect to other flights. You remember one flight, I don't want to mention their name. Remember I was telling you that I don't want to pound like much on that flight, because what those flight attendant did, it was individual stuff, not the flight. Remember I said even me that I'm praying to own plenty flights that will be taking people within local and international, and for that reason I will never attack that you remember now, you remember that matter now some months ago, and I just said it. I just told you guys what they did to me, so that you guys will not be thinking that maybe me, Nigeria is not happening to me. There's no Nigeria that can happen to anybody than that it do matter. There's no Nigeria that can happen to anybody than that it do matter. There's no Nigeria that can happen to anybody than the rightful offices watching blackmailers attacking you, your family, your children, your business, and they are not doing anything there. They are not doing anything whatsoever then. When this issue started, we went to the police station for almost 3 years. We went to court, we went to this, we went to that, and nothing happened. It is not government, it is individual. Even if we are to blame Tinubu because of all these blackmailers, you remember what they did to Tinubu during election? If we are to blame Tinubu that, oh, Tinubu, these blackmailers, they are not doing anything. Shebi, me and you were here when they were blackmailing Tinubu. If I say, Yoruba are not supporting each other, give me one Yoruba that supported Tinubu. Yorubas that are social media users. Give me 10 social media users that supported Tinubu during his election. Tell me one Yoruba pastor. Give me 10 Yoruba pastors that are social media users that supported Tinubu. Give me 10 Muslims that are Yoruba, that they are social media users that supported Tinubu. Give me 10. I'm not saying there is no, there is, but give me 10 that they are social media users. So it means whatever Nigeria is doing to us is also doing it to the government. Ogun ló máa pa ẹ́ o. Ogun ló máa pa ẹ́ o. Iyabo Ojo òkú gbáná. Iyabo Ojo ní gbáná o. Ogun lákàyé ló máa fẹ́ jẹ́ wẹ̀ ó lò ṣì. Ó máa fi ọwọ́ ẹ méjèèjì gbọ́mọ sí ni Iyabo Lizzy Ojo. Tó máa kú fọ́tayọ̀ tí gbogbo ọmọ ẹ máa ṣọ́kú lójú ẹ̀mí ẹ. Olórí burúkú olòṣì. àti wá àti Bíọ́dún Òkè Owó ẹjọ́ máa ṣòfò ọmọ ní ẹ̀yin olè ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú ọmọ ọ̀ràn kíran. You remember what Iyabo Ojo did to Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu during election? She even called Seyi Tinubu, she even called him out. You all remember what Iyabo Ojo did for Seyi Tinubu and Bola Ahmed, Aṣíwájú Bola Ahmed Tinubu now under Gislover during election when they were counting the votes. You all saw what Iyabo Ojo did now. That nuisance. That nuisance. She doesn't support people to be great in life, and she always wants money from you when you become successful. Is that one human being? In Nigeria, you once condemned. The country you once condemned. The recent government that owns that airport, you work against them, and today you are now lying that you become ambassador kill you there. I just see side of the class so lovely. I just see side of the class so lovely. Which class? I tell her Iyabo Ojo want to rep where she didn't sow. She want to reap where she didn't sow. Iyabo only. But she later go meet Seyi. Anybody can go and meet Seyi. Anybody can go and snap with Seyi now. Iyabo Ojo is wannabe. Iyabo Ojo is nobody. She does not have anything. Iyabo Ojo is nobody in life. So it's me that will go and meet Seyi. I will now snap with Seyi and post it online. Iyabo Ojo is nobody in this country. Nobody. So it's me that will go and meet. If I meet Seyi, I will snap Seyi and put it online. If I meet Aṣíwájú, I will snap it and put it online. If I meet Yeye now, Aṣíwájú, I will go and snap it and put it online. If I meet with Yaloja General, I will now snap it and put it online. Abi? Mọ̀ wípé ìdí tí Iyabo Ojo ṣe ń rẹ́rìn lọ́dọ̀ ọmọ bọ̀tì ni wípé òun ti padà mú lọ́rùn ọwọ́, òun ti padà bí ṣẹ̀sín. Tẹ́ bá wo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jáde lẹ́nu Bíọ́dún Òkè Owó, ẹ mọ̀ pé Bíọ́dún Òkè Owó ní mental problem. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ó ní autistic now. Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń gbọ́ lẹ́nu Bíọ́dún Òkè Owó yẹn, ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ jọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́pọlọ lójú yín? Ṣé èmi ni máa jáde síta, èmi ni máa ní pé bí Gislover ṣe dé, èmi ni kọ́kọ́ gbé advert lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀? Ṣé èmi ni máa sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ńgbà tí Iyabo Ojo tó àtàkì olórí burúkú tí Bíọ́dún Òkè Owó fẹ́, ibo ni Iyabo Ojo wà láti wá defend Bíọ́dún? Ẹ mọ̀ wípé Iyabo bó ṣe wà yẹn, ìyà tó fẹ́ fi jẹ Bíọ́dún ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fi ń jẹ yìí fún pé Bíọ́dún bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ bọ̀dá Mílò. Kò yé yín? Bíọ́dún ló bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ bọ̀dá Mílò. Ìyà tí Iyabo fẹ́ fi jẹ ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fi ń jẹ yìí. Then ìgbéyàwó Bíọ́dún kò sí mọ́. Wọ́n kàn ń pàṣẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ fún social media ni. Ebi ti dé, kò sówó mọ́. Gbogbo nǹkan aláyé yẹn ti lọlẹ̀, ọ̀bọ bí abirùn tó lọ fẹ́ l'Amẹ́ríkà yẹn, gbogbo nǹkan yẹn ti lọlẹ̀. Ó lè ṣe rí pé she is trying so hard láti wá ṣe business. Gbogbo aburú tó ń ṣe fún àwọn èèyàn ó ti ń kàn, tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Ṣé Iyabo Ojo tó ń rẹ́rìn? Ṣé Iyabo Ojo tí ò nílé lórí mọ́? Ṣé gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, ṣé gbọ́ nǹkan ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Banana Island? Bírọ̀ ni bó tọ́ ni. Iyabo time tán ní Iyabo Ojo lọ Banana Island. Come and see. Time tán ní Iyabo Ojo lọ Banana Island. I'm not joking. Mo ṣe ń rí láàárọ̀ yìí. Wallahi I'm not joking. Come and see. See. Ohun lele. See. Kíni àwọn Banana Island lele. See. Kíni àwọn Banana Island lele. Let me read for you. One, following the recent security branch, and that is why I used to tell my people that California Paradise City, I don't think we will accept any short stay there. I don't think, for security reason. Following the recent security breach and the violation of our long-standing peaceful coexistence as a community, the executive committee has resolved to bring a complete end to the operation of short-let. Shengbo committee has resolved and bring a complete end to the operation of short-let Airbnb activities across the entire Banana Island. Let me show you. Come and see. You know, I was telling you that I will not do that Airbnb here. See, here. See. To bring Shetiri, this is Kenya Banana Island. Coexistence and community to bring resolve to bring a complete end to the operation of shortlets and Airbnb activities across entire Banana Island. Shetiri, community. Shetiri, covering both residential and commercial properties. Our Banana Island is more than an address. It is a community defined by tranquility, mutual trust, privacy, with a strong same kini. Want Etiri? Do you know what happened? Poro gba tí Iyabo Ojo lọ rent apartment níbẹ̀. Wọ́n lọ rọ́ọ̀bù níbẹ̀. Ohun rẹ̀. Story yẹn rẹ̀. Ohun rẹ̀. Poro gba tí Iyabo Ojo lọ rent apartment níbẹ̀ ohun lélẹ̀. Wọ́n lọ rọ́ọ̀bù níbẹ̀. Wọ́n lọ rọ́ọ̀bù níbẹ̀. Let me remove it. Let me read it for you. Now, èmi sọ. Àwọn condition lè ṣe kíní kan ẹ wò. Shetiri àwọn nìyẹn ẹ wò. Dear esteemed residents, this is to formally inform all residents that between 28th January and 3rd February 2026, there were 4 reported incidents of robbery within the estate. During this incident, valuables were stolen from affected residents. The robberies occur around estimated hours of 3 a.m. and 5:30. Shetiri, management promptly reported this incident to Ikoyi police. Ẹ lọ wo time tí Iyabo Ojo lọ gbalé síbẹ̀. Iyabo, you do this one. Wọ́n ti máa boys yẹn o. They've arrested them because they later did investigation. Nto mú Iyabo Ojo sá lọ nìyẹn. Yeah. Àṣírí tú onígbàgbọ́ ẹ jẹ́ máa lọ bí iṣẹ́ mi. Àṣírí tú onígbàgbọ́ kò sàmì. Àṣírí tú onígbàgbọ́ kò sàmì. Àṣírí tú. Mo sọ fún yín pé short stay níbi tó wà yẹn sẹ́. Yémi ò sọ fún yín. Ẹ rí date yẹn. Iyabo ó ṣe dáadáa. Ó dẹ̀ ṣe gbogbo kíní yẹn tán ló bá sá lọ. Òun bẹ̀rẹ̀ fíìmù. Òun bẹ̀rẹ̀ fíìmù. For those of you that wants to do short stay, we are not doing short stay in our estate too. No short stay. Let's ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ẹ lọ wo date yẹn. Wọ́n parí idán yẹn báyìí. Ó ya dànù ni. Òun lọ ṣe fíìmù.